I'm dating you, wa nyala wa thola, mara o sa nyonyoko ya ko ntle. Why did you get married in the first place? A ke re o sa nyoko ya ko ntle. E ba le nako dlalo tla re go le ready for commitment, that's when you come in. Now wena o re wa tikutso o ya ko ntle ba go bofe. Nambile o wa ola, a go sa theletša ka mogae. Ba tla mo go rena. Lady wa Lesotho a re mokone gape ke gele ka mola ke nyaka a tšwe go šale nna. Ga go fa pheko, mosadi a modimo a tšwe. There's nothing that I can do. A ke re go itla mo go nna o tlhoka thuša, I must give you what you want. Le nna I'm getting what I want.
Guphuma uma stand straight. CEO ibo
a ebile ba Lesotho ba e rata thata. O tlo go tsa re, papa we, a go khunamela go fa dijo. O tlhatswa joki ya gagwe, ke re mogatša gagwe a e tlhatswe joki. Nna that is why nna my husband o ka sekwe ba re ke iša joki ya monna ke e tlhatswa nna self. Tšhila ya monna ka e santse e tlhatswe ke nna. The minute ke for someone else ke mo fa that access.
Mokone masone mali ushuthi I danger ge farle. Ka ngithi uba ne butler, ube ne jailer, ube ne cooker, ube no gardener, ube ne helper. Uyayithola. So
na skimi ke msadi wa mopedi.
All up until today. Aisha patelele cent.
Ya dikoloi tsotlhe tse 6 tsa ditsere.
Le cheleta
including le e nantse o madima mo stakolla.
Le cheleta nantsa itsi. A jimo ka je go tlhaela mo di podcasting tsa bo scheme GP. Hearing and bearings. Wa tlhaela mo o bolela gore yena ke ngaka ke sangoma o humisha batho. Batho ba tla go yena ba tlo thwala baruti ba tla go yena ba tlo bofa. She's a successful businesswoman, she's an advocate ya maka le tsebe setšhaba sa modimo a se selo ntweng a se advocate re na le case ko court kwa re busy ka yona at the moment o tsama fora batho le se la tshoga selo le bongaka bua se selo.
Hello you guys and welcome back to the channel. My name is Solo. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and of course do make sure that you do share this video, guys. I'm sure by now you might have seen this podcast interview on Skim GP's podcast whereby he interviewed this lady and he calls this lady Mokoni, guys. She is a sangoma, and at first glance she went to Skim GP to talk about Ubungoma and what she does. It looks more like she was actually selling her services to the public or trying to put herself out there so that people could know that she, I guess, like Ubugogoma Winnie Bugogos Kuteni, is able to, bewitch men. So basically, I would say that her clientele would be based on baby mamas and married women. She says that, I am able to bewitch a man, I am able to tie a man so that he does not go outside of your marriage. That was the main message of that podcast interview, that very first podcast interview. Now, she talked a lot. She also revealed that, I also have the ability to make you rich. I am able to give you isgubu rather, semali, and she claims that she is able to twala. And people in the comment section at first were kind of believing that she could actually do what she was promising them, as she is a very well-spoken lady. That's one thing about her. And she claims that she's also an advocate, you guys, and has a lot of money. Well, after that interview shortly, there's been a plot twist as someone came forward and did his own interview, rather trying to expose this lady Mokoni, this Sangoma Mokoni, as a fake and a scam. As this man went to the podcast and says that, she is not rich at all. She is actually broke, but one thing that she is a scammer, as she has scammed me a lot of money and cars which she fails to pay me back. And this guy says that, she and I are currently, have a court case. We're currently going back and forth on during to court. I've taken her to court because she is a scam. She has scammed me. She refuses to pay me my money, as she has scammed me. And this guy wants people to be very wary of this lady and not associate themselves with her, as she has a very bad record when it comes to scamming people. Guys, now, what do you think about this whole situation? Please do engage them with me in the comment section down below, and also make sure that you do subscribe if you haven't yet done so, and also make sure that you do share this video so that you do not have to miss out whenever I try to upload a new video. And oh, he says, if she claims to be able to make people rich, why is she poor? And why is she failing to pay me my money? Why is she not giving me back the cars that she took from me? She stole from me, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.